So a company in the planning and startup phase is really focused on what is unique about the business, whether that's a proprietary technology, it's a product, but really the focus is how am I going to survive? For example, a software company has a really great idea and a great software, but they're looking for funding. Or a company that was able to design and develop a product, have it patented, but they still don't have the right supply chain. Maybe they've had some meetings with different channels. Maybe they're ready to bring it to market, but it's still a survival mode, and they're not sure if they're going to be able to be there next year. On a recent project, we were working with a company that was looking for funding and talking with multiple municipalities regarding a technology that they wanted to bring to a certain area of the United States. That process was a lot longer than they anticipated. And through this entire process, they had to remember who they were and what phase of the business they were in. Because in order to get to the next phase, they really needed their foothold. And they needed for someone to say yes, and they needed for the financing to come through. And luckily for them, it did happen, but that isn't always something that happens. And that's really the struggle for a business in the planning or startup phase. Anyone running a business and leading a business in this phase has to be very, very, very focused on how do I get to the next step. They're clearly in need of one major opportunity. And with one major opportunity, they then put themselves in a position to take the next step and to be able to continue to grow their business and survive into the next phases.